Buenos días chicos, ¿cómo estáis? Hoy vamos a tener una actividad que va a ser corregida. It's going to be graded, so I want you to take your time. Is this activity 4 in the core practice? It's just an activity. There's only 6 questions, so pay attention. This is not a big, long thing, but I want you to pay attention to what you're doing. Because I'm going to correct this for grade, and it's going to be ×2. Not a big deal. You're going to have your notes in front of you. So go over the answer key for por and para, and then you're going to have to use here subjunctive versus indicative, or subjuntivo o el indicativo, as it says here. Let me read it for you. La señora Almudena dice lo que piensa de todo lo que pasa en su familia. So es un poco chismosa. Primero completa la pregunta con por o para. ¿Ok? Por o para. You have your notes open. Luego escribe la respuesta usando los elementos sugeridos para formar frases. Aquí tenéis, based on the phrases, ¿ok? Use one of these elements. Usa el subjuntivo o el indicativo según el caso. Okay, what do they mean by that, guys? Pay attention to this sentence because we've done it a million times. Well, not a million, but we've done it in class. Temo, or let's read this. Ellos van a discutir por ese programa de televisión. Are they going to argue about that show on TV? And the answer is, temo que ellos discutan por ese programa de televisión. So pay attention to how this is formulated. Temer, okay? Temo, your form present tense. This is indicative, okay? Then que, and then change of subject. Obviously, if you don't have change of subject, you're never going to be able to have subjunctive. And these trigger words, they bring subjunctive. So, while conjugated the verb, be very attentive and pay attention to how it's done, okay? Temo que ellos discutan por ese programa de televisión, okay? So, you're going to do all these 6. Take your time. And I put the PDF. If you want to write it in a piece of paper, it's fine. But I put the it's a Google Doc that you can write on. And this would be just the assignment for today. Take your time, look at your notes, and buena suerte. One thing I wanted to tell you is that to argue is discutir, okay? When we say argumento, tuvimos un argumento. No, don't use argumento because tuvimos una pelea. It's better to use, no argumento. Espero que tengáis un buen día, chicos. Un beso para todos.